Imagine you just received a $5 million grant and got only one chance to create a game-changing, long-term sustainable development project for poverty reduction. Your options are: A. Provide a community with resources for survival for the next few years. B. Train community leaders. And C. Teach children how to solve problems in their own community. What would you do? I'm Roni Zedek, and although I haven't had such an opportunity yet, I think it's important that we know how to make our investments better. Now, if you are familiar with community development, you would know that A. Just giving away resources won't be enough. The real choice then for long-lasting results lies between B and C. So, train the trainers or train the children? To help you make up your mind, let me share with you a special case study. Meet Kiran Birsetti, an Indian interior designer who witnessed her son's rigid education, which demanded him to memorize from all books irrelevant information. She remembered her own design studies, which were hands-on and empowering, so she founded the Riverside School, an innovative school which evolved into a global movement called Design for Change. Design for Change stands out from traditional approaches by doing entrepreneurship, not just talking about it. Its root is in design thinking, which teaches to empathize, feel the user's pain, imagine a solution, and then create it. This method empower kids to solve problems, starting from their own school to their city and ultimately global challenges. But how does it look? Well, in every place from the 70 places it exists today, it looks different. In Taiwan, students invented the emergent bag, a bag that becomes a soft helmet for earthquake protection. In Israel, 14-year-old kids at Unistream designed smart earplugs that addressed ADHD and post-trauma, along with hundreds of creative solutions every year. In Cambodia, kids performed a theater show to raise awareness about drugs and alcohol abuse in their community. Empowering kids is one of the most effective things we can do in development projects. Not only does it develop independence and real-world skills, it doesn't hurt their school grades, it only makes them better. And socially, they connect with their peers and community. Their fresh approach and willingness to ask hard questions make them better at designing innovative solutions for the communities, especially since they are part of the ecosystem and they are there to stay. But most importantly, they develop agency, which helps them be proactive, aware, and responsible citizens. So why invest in teaching kids rather than training community leaders? Because kids raised with a growth mindset become power multipliers, enhancing community engagement and localization. And it's not only my opinion. The World Bank, OECD, UNESCO, and others agree that investing in education is the most cost-effective method for long-term results. So, the next time you have $5 million for a one-time development project, consider integrating kids into your plan. Give them a chance to take part and watch how they make an impact, more than you expected.